A very good morning and welcome to all of you for the IDFC First Bank Duleep Trophy 2024 match number 1 and day 2. India A taking on India B at the Chinnaswamy Stadium here in Bengaluru. India A won the toss and decided to field. Jaiswal got off to a good start. Ishwaran hung around for a bit. There was a middle order collapse, still a late order partnership. But the standout player there was really Mushir Khan, who was absolutely brilliant. And as we get into day 2, it's going to be Mushir on strike. A lot of focus on the young man. Does that very often. Just a shimmy down the track to even deliveries that he wants to leave alone. Worked very fine before.
यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे. बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से पेस का इस्तेमाल किया यहाँ पे.
Just like that one. Just like that one.
यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे. भारी किनारा तो लगा था, लेकिन गली और पॉइंट की वजह से 4 मिलेंगे.
He can do this as well. That's up in the air as well, and that's gone. That's in the gap.
He is beginning to unleash these shots here against the medium paces.
Makes a single. This time. Oh, sloppy work. There's an overthrow. 150 comes up for Mushir. The splendid innings. He's worked really hard. Shown a lot of character. Shown how he can play with the lower order. In fact, he's shown most things which are very, very good and exemplary.
अब बता सकता हूं मैं आपको कि मैं कदमों का इस्तेमाल कितना बढ़िया करूंगा. 150 रन बोर्ड पे लग चुके हैं. पर्सनल स्कोर उनका.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that for timing. Are the bails of the groove? The umpires are wondering, looking at their watch. Yeah, they will come off the groove. 2.5 hours of play gone. It's been all India B.
अब शुभमन गिल और उनके आसपास खिलाड़ी सब कह रहे हैं कि अरे 30 सेकंड थे, हम और एक ओवर डाल सकते थे. पर 290 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर जब शुरुआत करी थी इंडिया बी के बल्लेबाजों ने आज सुबह, तब भी 7 विकेटें ही गिरी हुई थी. 202 था रन बोर्ड पर उस समय स्कोर. 290 फॉर 7. लंच के लिए जब दोनों बल्लेबाज वापस जाएंगे तब भी यही स्कोर है. और खुशी इसी वजह से है कि एक खिलाड़ी 42 पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहा है, वो है नवदीप सैनी 117 गेंदें खेल के, और दूसरा खिलाड़ी 174 पर है.
Kotian will start the proceedings after lunch from the pavilion end. And this will be the first over that the off spinner will bowl today. Mushir Khan was severe against him late yesterday evening. Goes big and he clears it comfortably enough. Goes for another one. There's a fielder coming underneath it. Is that the end of the partnership? Yes. A class success for the India A side and also for Kuldeep Yadav. The partnership broken. Terrific innings this from the young man. Mushir Khan dismissed for 181, 299 for 8.
इन्होंने आते लगाया है. पहली गेंद पे बड़ा शॉट, दूसरी गेंद पे.
And that's a good blow. And there it is. And he reaches his 50 with a cheeky shot, and that one goes past the boundary too, and he is delighted. What an extraordinary innings this has been. A fighting knock, and he's played a big part here in his team staying alive in this game. Minimum of effort to get a boundary. Edged and taken. This was the basic idea. Akashdeep was looking to try and induce an edge. He does it by banging it in short. Picks up a wicket here. Yes, they are parrying one to the fielder at gully. Mayank Agarwal was the catcher. And the ploy succeeds, finally. Saini making some room for himself, looking to play the ramp. Holds out to the fielder at third. Positioned exactly for that. And Akashdeep picks up the 4th wicket. And that's the end of the India B innings. Navdeep Saini dismissed for 56. And he's played a good hand here.
निश्चित तौर पे जो रूम की तलाश कर रहे थे ना, वो रूम मिला नहीं, और एक आसान सा कैच रेहान पराग के लिए। लेकिन निश्चित तौर पे बहुत बढ़िया पारी खेली है नवदीप सैनी ने अपनी टीम के लिए, और मुशीर के साथ वो साझेदारी उसी ने तो नींव रखी है। इसी वजह से 321 रन बनाए हैं इंडिया बी ने।
Let's just start with 2 slips at a gully with the big score on the board. Yesterday we saw 5 wickets fall in this session. Three wickets have gone down this afternoon. Doesn't want the single, Shubman Gill. Stayed low. He's extremely good through the offside.
रन्स मिलेंगे यहाँ पे, और टाइमिंग देखिए कितनी बढ़िया थी यहाँ पे।
Step out is the way to play fast bowling these days. Mushir has showed everyone a little bit of a shimmy down the wicket, and then it's after all the class. Oh. What a cover drive. Streaky, left of point. Little too full here from Dayal. Again, room outside off stump. Gorgeous. Anything Shubman Gill can do, Mayank Agarwal says, I can do as well.
चार रन, सिर्फ गेंद उठा के लाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी मुशीर खान को बाउंड्री से, वो अलग चीज है। चलिए 52 हो गए इस चौके के साथ। रुक जाएगी, रुकनी चाहिए। ओह, बढ़िया एफर्ट। पहली सफलता मिलती हुई है इंडिया बी को। नवदीप सैनी डिफेंस को ब्रीच करने में कामयाब, वो भी कप्तान शुभमन गिल का। 14 ओवर और पहली सफलता। नवदीप सैनी डिफेंस पर काम कर रहे हैं, डिफेंस पर काम करते रहेंगे केएल शुभमन गिल, पर थोड़ा सा इनडिसीजन पहली सफलता दिला गया। आप पे जाके सोचेंगे ज़रूर कि क्यों, कैसे, क्या, पर कोई बात नहीं, ये लर्निंग कर्व है हर खिलाड़ी के लिए। लेकिन पहली सफलता के बाद कम से कम जो चाय का ब्रेक है ना, वो अच्छा रहेगा। इंडिया भी 321 बोर्ड पर, और पहली सफलता शुभमन गिल के रूप में लेते हुए 57 एक विकेट के नुकसान पर इंडिया ए।
It's away from strike. Mayank Agarwal. New man in. Rehan Parag.
चार रन मिलेंगे। बल्ले के बीच में नहीं लगी थी ये, और स्विंग भी अच्छा देखने को मिला था।
He's looked good once again. No chance for the fielder in the deep. Big appeal, and up goes the finger.
मयंक अग्रवाल अच्छे टच में थे, अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे। 36 रन बनाए उन्होंने 66 पे 2।
Super strike. Leaning into the shot, Riyan Parag.
Gorgeous.
Nicely played through the offside, and that'll go to the boundary.
यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे और चौका हो गया जी। थोड़ा बेहतर एफर्ट कर सकते थे वहाँ यश दयाल।
Driven through the offside, and he finds the gap as well. That'll run away past the boundary.
Marginally shorter in length. That's one of the scoring areas that he loves. Stayed low, made the adjustment well. We're looking at a 3-pointer. 3 points and 1 point. 134 for 2. It's time. Done for the day. Day 2. India B began the day with the 108 runs partnership, 202 for 7. Partnership was 108. Eventually finishing with 321 after being 94 for 7. That was a stupendous effort